cousin of death.
What's up, guys? It's Gian.
It's George.
And today we're going to talk to you about some cozy sportswear from Russell Athletics. Now, I know you're a huge vintage head.
Oh yeah, you know
You be shopping Instagram and all those stores that, with names like Mom's Thrift and all that.
Oh yeah.
Which is actually a really tight one. But one thing I do like is like old vintage sportswear. Russell Athletic, of course, has been in the game for a long time.
Like a century.
They invented the sweatshirt.
Like literally invented the sweatshirt.
Like it was like some story about, one of the company's founders was a football player for a really prestigious team in college.
Yeah,
and
they gotta wear wool before, right?
Exactly, they
gotta
wore
wear
wool.
That's itchy,
He
man.
made the different cuts, silhouettes, and that's why the crew neck sweatshirt as we know it is brought to us by Russell. So thanks, Russell, for the crew neck.
Yeah, thanks. I love crew necks.
That's right.
Appreciate y'all.
I love that old, vintage feeling, and I think that's exactly what we're gonna unbox today. So without further ado,
let's get real cozy with it.
Boom, boom. The R for really comfortable, and also for Russell Athletic.
It's my box.
All right,
it's my box.
Fine.
See what's in my box?
Yeah. What do you got?
Boom. Ooh, we got the Chanel logo up here.
Okay.
With that,
That's
you like
right.
that? You like
I
that?
love this detail right here because this is originally to catch sweat. If you didn't know, that's what that's for.
That's what
vintage sportswear heads know that this is like a sweat catcher.
It's not an Illuminati thing.
Yep.
It's for sweat.
Yeah, but they got some old school details on here. You got the gussets on the side. That's really nice. You got the ribbing on there, and it's got a nice weight to it.
That's what you look for in that sweat kit, you know what I mean? It's gotta have like a good weight, not like too much, but like heavy enough where you're like, yo, this is a piece where I feel the quality.
That's like the hoodie weather hoodie, All right, what else you got?
What else we got in here?
It wouldn't be Russell Athletic if we didn't have
a crew neck sweater.
Of course, some crew love.
You gotta get that classic navy, you know what I'm saying?
You got your sweat catcher there. You have the gussets on the sides. You got the ribbing. Yeah, they got it right.
It's just like the hoodie, but like without the hood.
And that little embroidered R right there.
The little baby hit. You can't get too crazy.
Of course, but what are you gonna wear under your sweatshirt?
Oh, I got some tees, bro.
Okay.
I got some. Oh, let's see here. You wanna hold this up for me?
All right.
We got a long sleeve tee there, and then we got this kind of.
Wait, but you totally missed the fact that there's the graphic hits on the side right there with
sleeves.
Racing stripes.
Hold them both up together.
Russell Athletic, just so you don't forget.
So you don't forget.
That's right. You better remember.
Baby.
You better know the name of Russell.
Russell. And then we got. I like this color. You know what I mean? It's like kind of sand
beige,
color, little beige.
Yeah, a little beige tan action.
Little like Filipino skin tone action. Like
right,
skin
exactly.
tone number 3.
Yeah, like after like 3 bars of guava soap, papaya soap.
It's like easy season 3 vibe to it maybe.
Yeah.
But OG sportswear,
I'm
so
with
you
it.
know that like it's got like great quality to it, and this is a shirt that you can wear all day, every day.
All right, so George, you did an unboxing. What I'm bringing over, my unbagging joints.
What's in that bag, boy?
So I'm all about color, and I like this bag because it has the chenille patch on it. Nice little tote. So I'm gonna start off with, of course, the Russell crew neck sweatshirt. Nice, very trend appropriate pink.
That pink's fire.
It's really good.
You got the black in here
like
too.
Rosé.
Joint.
That's right. It's fire.
That pink's hitting this season.
Oh, of course.
For sure.
I'm gonna wear this over like the shirt that I'm wearing right now for like a little peek underneath, sort of like classic prep. Steez, yeah.
You can throw it over the shoulders, whatever you want to do.
It's tight. Can't go wrong with that.
Bam.
Bam. What else we got in here? Of course, an olive tee. This is what I got. I'm all about military tones.
Ooh.
And the olive long sleeve just like gets the hits right. Especially
sleeve
with the black and orange graphics on the side.
Wow, this is like perfectly seasonal.
Yeah, it's great. I mean, this is good rock. Like you can wear it as a layer. You can wear it, and when it gets hotter, just like by itself. I'm with it.
With it. Ooh, keeping with the earth tones.
Oh, you know.
Wow, earth tone Gian out here.
Obviously. Obviously, earth tones are my thing. This is what you call a color story, George. Have you heard of it?
I don't know about that. I don't know nothing about that.
So here you got your Russell Athletics hoodie. You got your olive and white R hit, which I think is a nice flip on the classic logo.
Yeah. Wow, that actually comes out really nice when they flip the colors on.
Comes really nice. It's really cool. I like the camel. All right, and I think that's it. I don't know. We got anything else in here? Oh, we have one more.
We got one more.
That's right. This is my favorite joint, the burgundy. That's the Ron Burgundy, my favorite burgundy. But
you're so silly, Gian.
You know.
How are you so silly?
Yeah, it's just basic burgundy tee. or maroon, whatever you want to call it.
I like burgundy. I guess it's kind of maroonish.
You see
Burgundy's a
how
little more
well it goes with
purple.
the earth tones? That's
Yeah.
why I did it. It's that contrast.
Wow, you kept it in the same palette.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what you need though?
What
You know
do I
you
need?
need? You need to like rustle up your whole fit.
That's true. Rustle up the whole fit.
What?
What do we got here?
I don't know, bro, but I think these are some chenille patches. Look at
Yo,
that.
mark your field. You got some stickers.
Classic stickers. But yo, these patches are what's up.
These patches are
Feel
dope.
that texture.
Yep. Get some chenille. You can put it on the back. Turn around. Right
Boom.
there. Boom. Put the R back there.
I woke up and rustled.
That's right. You can put it on like a, over a pocket.
Bam.
Like chest hit.
Or you could put it on that, or like your favorite tote.
You
Just
can
like
put it
the
on your
tote we
favorite
had.
tote. That's exactly. So,
Boom. These are pretty
there you
sick.
go. Line your whole floor in these and just step into coziness.
On your floor, your fit. Let us know.
Right. All right. Well, that's it. Thanks to Russell Athletic for
Shout out to Russell.
lacing us with all this gear to unbox. And we'll see you next time.
Peace.